Say hello to the Roborock QV35A, a powerful robot vacuum and mop that takes smart cleaning to the next level. Upgraded from the popular Qrevo S, this model is built for homes that demand both convenience and performance. At the core of the QV35A is 8,000 pascals HyperForce Suction power. That's enough to lift embedded dirt, stubborn debris, and pet hair from deep within carpets and rugs, while still handling everyday dust on hardwood and tiles. Whether it's pet-friendly floors or high-traffic areas, the QV35A leaves every surface spotless. One of its biggest highlights is the all-in-one docking station. More than just a charging base, it automatically empties dust into a 2.7-liter sealed bag that lasts up to 7 weeks. It also refills water from a 4-liter tank to cover up to 3,552 square feet, washes the mopping pads, and dries them for next use. With everything handled automatically, maintenance becomes almost effortless. Just remember to clean the dirty water tank regularly. Hair tangles? Forget about them. The SGS-certified asymmetrical side brush guarantees a 0% tangling rate, while the full rubber spiral main brush prevents hair wrap entirely. This makes the QV35A an excellent choice for households with pets or long hair. For mopping, the QV35A features dual spinning pads that rotate at 200 RPM to scrub away tough stains. With 30 adjustable water levels, it adapts to all floor types, from delicate hardwoods to durable tiles. The mop can also lift by 10 millimeters, allowing the robot to move seamlessly over low-pile carpets without leaving them wet. Navigation is powered by Precise Sense LiDAR, scanning your home in 360 degrees to create accurate, real-time maps. It supports multi-level mapping for up to 4 floors, making it ideal for multi-story homes. Plus, with reactive tech obstacle avoidance, it identifies and avoids furniture, cords, shoes, and even stairs, preventing interruptions mid-clean. The QV35A also gives you full control through the Roborock app. You can create custom routes, schedule cleaning, set no-go zones, and manage maps right from your phone. It even supports smartwatch controls, widgets, and voice assistants like Alexa and Google for quick, hands-free commands. So what's the bottom line? The Roborock QV35A combines raw suction power, smart mopping technology, advanced navigation, and one of the most complete docking systems available. It's designed to deliver a truly hands-free cleaning experience, especially for larger homes and families with pets. If you're searching for a reliable, powerful, and intelligent cleaning companion, the Roborock QV35A is definitely a robot vacuum worth considering.